What up, ladies and gentlemen? What up, traders? My name is Offense, and I would like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis, and yes, we go live on weekdays or on daily basis. Ladies and gentlemen, I really want to take this time and apologize for not going live or for not doing live streams for past 2 weeks now. But I want to ensure you guys that by next week everything will be back to normal, and I will be doing the live streams, especially those who have been interacting with me during the live streams. My ladies and gents, my traders, I really want to say forgive me, my apologies. Things we come across a lot of interruptions and obstacles along the way. So one thing that I can say is let's be patient. It's just a few days to go, and next week we will go back to the live stream. But don't forget, those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click on the sharp like button, yes, or sharp hand there, and please don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you can be notified for the future uploads. Ladies and gentlemen, traders, without wasting any time, let's go to our charts and see what is happening, or have a clear idea where could our price go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nasdaq 100 and I'm on daily time frame. I want you guys to notice something. Previously the price was bearish, and the price managed to find or reach the support at this level, as you can see. And not only this level, this is the horizontal support, right? Let me place H, and this is our diagonal support. Let me place D for diagonal. Let me write D at that level, at that area. So ladies and gentlemen, what I can tell you is, when we focus on this chart, we can see that it was around, if you look around the time here, remember our chart is consist of time and price chart. There's the time axis. It consists of time axis, and let me use the ball pen so that you can see clearly. We have a time axis where my ball pen is marking the yellow mark. This is our time axis, and this is our price axis, which is X and Y. If you did mathematics, I hope you know what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see the price found the support on our previous resistance, which is now our current support. And this, I was trying to make this point that the price from it has reached our previous resistance, which was formed around late 2020. That was around September, October, and during November it was our support. So this level is so important, so significant, that we can see this whole thing that the price created for the past 2021, it's corrected. So the price was moving passively, and now it has been presenting this type of structure to us, the corrective move. So as you can see, the price was moving pulsively, or before it was pulsively, corrective move, pulsively, or corrective move along the way, pulsively, and boom, the price went towards the downside, where we experiencing the selling season. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that when the price move like this, we still have to expect those buying season. We still have to expect those bullish momentum to come back. So this is my daily time frame. If I push close to the chart or move close to the chart, my chart looks a little bit messy, but you will get to understand it along the way. If you have been watching my videos previously, you will be able to understand exactly what is happening, because I've been trying to explain why my chart is so messy at this current moment. I haven't cleaned my chart yet, or erased or deleted the drawings, because I wanted to have a great or clear idea where is the chart going, because you can see that the chart was moving in a direction whereby it was giving me the head and shoulder pattern, and suddenly it's canceling the head and shoulder pattern. I'm having the I noticed the double bottom and jiggy. We are bearish where I was expecting bullish trend to form. So the price, since during this era of war, Russia invading Ukraine, I think it's struggling to present this type of structure to us. I'm waiting to witness or to have that bullish corrective movement, because you can see the price has been pushing towards the downside passively, and we had the corrective move and passively towards the downside. So I'm looking forward for this bullish trend. I hope it will happen, but nonetheless, let's focus on what the price is presenting to us now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my high level, and this is my lower high, and this is my lower low. This is also a lower low, right? Since the price broke the level and pushed towards the downside, you can see to present the next lower low. But this lower high, it cancelled this level right here. This level, it was our lower high at some point, but after the price reached this level, we can still say this level, it's still our lower high. So the price pushed towards the downside. As you can see, we are still waiting to have the next lower high. I hope this makes sense. You can see that the price is playing around this level, the support area that I have marked or written a weekly support. It's a weekly support, a daily support. It's your, even on 4-hourly time frame, it's still our support. So this is my current resistance. It falls under daily resistance, but this one, it's a weekly resistance. So one thing that I can tell you, if the price reached this level, I can't wait to witness. If the price breaks this level, I will have to look for buying positions. I hope this makes sense. I'm not gonna clean this chart anytime soon, because at the moment I'm looking for, I want to get the trades at the snapper point. Especially I want to have those snapper trades, man. Yes, I've always heard traders saying at the snapper level, like they take the snapper trade, yeah, but I want to get that trend at the very beginning of it, before it begins to form. I want to be there. I want to start with it. Already I can say the trade is pushing, or the trade is forming, because one thing that I want you to witness is that if the price breaks this level, maybe sometime, let's say, let me continue with this. Wait just for a second. Let me continue with this. I will come back to this line. So don't worry. Just hang in there. Don't worry. Just hang in there with me. Just be patient with me. Just follow. I hope if you follow, you will be able to understand. You can see that the price has been pushing or presenting this channel to us. So at the moment, the price is about to present the what do you mean, the bullish pullback, since well we are bearish there. The price is about to present that bullish pullback. But if the price continue to move towards the downside and break this level, the weekly support I have here, I'm telling you, I'm gonna continue with selling. Actually, I have to look for selling positions when the price reach this level. Allow me to do this to zoom in so that you can be able to see. Allow me to zoom in. I hope the audio is perfect. I forgot the last time or previously I had a struggle with audio. I did record a video of 30 minutes. After uploading, I was like, no audio. So I hope I'm audible now. As you can see, okay, let's go back to where we were. As you can see, I'm looking for the price to present this type of structure before it reaches this level. So when the price reached this level, this is my previous support. The price broke and resistance, price broke back in and gave me the support. The price broke back, resistance. So if the price breaks this level, I hope it makes sense. So this was the resistance. The price breaks this level, retest. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you have to see this on the bigger time frame, so that when you go to the lower time frames, you have to understand this before you go to your lower time frame, so that you have a clear idea or understanding of what is happening at this markings that I have right here. I'm gonna zoom in and show you something. If you haven't noticed this, it's about time you notice this now. So you can see the price has been forming this type of structure. So I'm using these lines so that it can be a very clear idea of what is this price. Okay, maybe I should use the rectangle. By the way, I was saying, this is my current resistance, 4 hourly resistance, right? And this is my daily resistance, right? So this 4 hourly resistance, if the price break resistance, it's gonna come back and retest. So this is my previous support. Now if the price reaches the level, it's gonna be a resistance at some point, and if the price respects this level, it will have to push towards the diagonal resistance that I have right there. I hope you understand this. This is my not overall trend line, but this is my resistance of the trend line, of the trend that is inside the overall trend. So it's a trend inside the trend. I hope it makes sense. This load shedding. You know, this electricity, the power cuts that I'm having, I'm scared it can happen at any time. So I was saying, if the price reaches the diagonal resistance that I have, the diagonal resistance of the trend inside the trend, I will be looking out for the breakout. You see, you know the breakout most. Or I will be looking out for the selling positions. And if the price doesn't respect the area and breaks the level, I will look out for. This is something that will happen in the future. You shouldn't be concerned about it. But one thing that I can tell you, if the price breaks this level, I will be looking out for the buys. At the moment, I'm already on the trade, because the price is giving, or it has presented this doji candlestick to us. As you can see, this is a doji candlestick and it's followed by the bullish candlestick. This bullish candlestick is gonna close at this level. Today we're going bullish. I'm telling you, this candlestick is gonna be bullish like this. This is how it will be today. Remember, this is daily time frame, right? And the candlestick to close, it's left with why am I doing this? the candlestick to close, it's left with 10 hours 5 minutes, right? Yes, it's left with 10 hours and 5 minutes for it to close. So that 10 hours, that candlestick might close, or it might even close above the level. If I see the breakout of this 4-hourly resistance, I'm telling you, I'm going to look for the price. I'm assured that the price will reach the support, the previous support. I hope it makes sense. One thing that I can tell you, I don't see our price pushing towards the downside to break this level. The reason why I'm saying that, look at this. Okay, before I show you that candlestick, look at this chart pattern, this candlestick pattern. It's an inverse is it morning star? Not the morning star, the night star. It's a night star candlestick pattern. And look at this doji candlestick, bullish doji there. It shows you that when we have the candlesticks like this, small body and the long wicks, I want you to understand something. Small body and the long wicks, it tells you that the sellers were pushing the price. The buyers were pushing the price towards the upside, and the sellers came to push the price towards the downside, where the buyers came back and pushed the price towards this level. In the meantime, it's something like this. This is what was happening. It was making a zigzag. Like the price opened at this level, and the sellers pushed it towards the downside, and the price or candlestick closed around the same level. Hence we have the small body, the price opened and closed at the same level. This is Nasdaq 100, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you get to understand exactly what I'm trying to present to you, or what I'm trying to show you guys. Please, those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and those who haven't followed us on the social handles, please do not forget to follow us on social media handles, like and follow the video. Ladies and gentlemen, one thing that I want you to remember is it's nice to keep a good community. Let's communicate, let's have a good chat, let's discuss the charts even on the social media. I'm still sorting out the Telegram group, because I have a Telegram group, but it's not that active. I'm still gonna try to sort it out. Just be patient. I believe when you are a trader, you have a very strong patience than some other people. So you can see what is happening. My chart looks messy, but it's not messy, because I understand what is going on. You can see we have, or you notice we have this resistance. This is for the trend that is inside the overall trend, né? And then I'm on 4-hourly time frame to update you. And as the price was pushing passively and correctively, now correctively, I want you guys to notice something in the meantime. I hope you can notice that at the moment the price is presenting this type of consolidation, ne? A range, or we can call it the range. This is where it starts. Let me place this here so that we can see where is the range. Let me do it like this. I want you guys to notice that we are having the range here. I'm gonna use the flag, but it's more like a flag still, because It's a consolidation, but it's more like a flag. This is the pole and this is our flag. It's a bearish flag. So the question is, will this price break towards the downside, break this flag towards the downside? It can happen. I'm not the price mover, I'm not the market mover, I'm just the random retail trader. So I'm trading what the price is presenting to me. As you can see, the bearish flag is usually the continuation of the selling momentum. I hope this makes sense. It's a usual continuation of the selling momentum. But one thing that I want you to be aware of is that the price has been presenting. I have to include it so that it can be visible. That point there, I need that point to be visible. Yeah, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that the price has been presenting this small trend right here, or the intertrend. I had to draw this trend line so that I can be aware of when the price breaks this level, I could look out for the retest and the price could push towards the upside. And it seems like the price is respecting the what you call the setups. I hope you can see what I'm showing you. So if the price broke this resistance, diagonal resistance, it's an inter trend inside. It's an intertrend in a trend, It's an intertrend. Yeah, inter means inside, So you can see that the price broke. Now it's retesting and it's about to push towards the upside. I hope it will break this consolidation a flag thing that I have there, the flag that I have there. So if it breaks it, I will look out for the retest, as I was saying, and boom, the price will push. Still, it will have to retest that overall resistance before we witness the price pushing towards the upside. This is the 4-hourly time frame. I wanted you guys to be aware of something like that. I hope that you get to understand exactly what I've been showing you guys. Please do not forget to communicate or to like or to follow this video or this channel in social handles. We have social handles there. So I wanted to come back to 4-hourly time frame, and I mean on 1 hour time frame. I wanted you guys to notice something. I want to give it to you. I'm giving everything. I'm giving all my ideas. I'm giving you all. I don't wanna keep everything behind and you guys be like, no, this guy is having a messy chart but doesn't understand what is going on. I want you to understand what is going on. Look at this point. Look at this point. Isn't it a trend? Come on, it's a trend. Come on. This is a trend, man. I want you to be aware of everything that I'm presenting to you. It's late, but I understand, and it's more like a zone. So, ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand that price moves in zones. Okay, let me leave this previous one, but it's something that I want you to be aware of. It's something that I really like you to be aware of, so that in future you can know that. Let's use the line chart. The line chart might show you very clear. This is not included, I guess, because this is what the line chart is showing me now. It's showing me now. I want to give it to you like where it's hard, man. Like it's drop it. I want to drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Okay, let's focus, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go back to Japanese candlesticks. We can see that the price is forming. I'm gonna remove this. The price is forming a bullish trend already. Can you see this? Do you see what I see? Look at this, man. Look at this. The price is already forming the bullish trend. And one thing that you haven't or you are not aware of, I want you to be aware of, ne? I believe the price has to come back to retest the level before we push. Oh, this is the 1 hour time frame. So this is what I was trying to show you in earlier. Let me try to the trend that I was trying to show you. Let me try to clone this and show you once again that we could have this confirms the trend. Do you see what I see? This confirms the trend. And I want you to be aware of something, ladies and gentlemen. This is a bullish trend already. You can see where I'm going. So now you will have to look out for the price to push towards the upside. If it breaks, it will reach our level, which is that resistance there. I hope you've been following, because we have the daily resistance, we have the 4-hourly resistance that we've been forming. So this is our 4-hourly resistance, right? The price has to push towards the upside to reach this 4-hourly resistance and break it before it reached that diagonal resistance that I was trying to present to you. But if it happens that the price doesn't break this level and push towards the downside, we will have to look out for the price to break this area and push towards the downside. That means it will continue with the consolidation that we are having right there. I hope this makes sense, ladies and gentlemen. I think I gave you all that I have in my mind, or what I noticed, or what I realized, the information that I get or I noticed from the price. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any time, I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your subscription, your likes. Remember, every time I have a comment, I have a like, I have a new subscriber, my heart fills with joy, because this is something that motivates me to keep on pushing to make this type of videos. So ladies and gentlemen, all I'm asking for is the subscription. I'm asking for the like, and click the notification, tap on that notification bell so that you can be notified for the future uploads. I really like to say I will see you on the next one.